Dear students, I am your Science 1 teacher. In the last class, we have learnt about the difference between elements and compounds. So, in this video, we are going to learn about chemical formula. So, what is the uses of chemical formula and what it tells what? So, often we hear that water is H2O. The chemical formula for water is H2O. This we know very well. So, what does it mean? This means that each molecule of water has 2 hydrogen atoms combined with 1 oxygen atom. So, this is the meaning of writing H2O. 2 hydrogen atoms combined with 1 oxygen atom. It provides about the elements present in the molecule and the number of atoms of each element. Now, can you guess the types of atoms and number of each of the atoms in sodium chloride, which is the chemical formula for cooking salt? The chemical formula for cooking salt is sodium chloride. See here how many number of sodium and chlorine are present. 1 atom of sodium and 1 atom of chlorine. So what is the information? The sodium chloride is used for cooking salt, isn't it? And what is the information about the elements present in the molecule? For example, sodium. Sodium is a metal, and if you see separately only about sodium, when you drop this sodium metal in water, it will burst. And if you see separately about the metal, chlorine. Chlorine is very much dangerous to our health, to our body. If you consume, it will be poisonous to our body. But anyway, these two metals are very much dangerous, even though when it combined, 1 atom of sodium and 1 atom of chlorine, when combined together to form a molecule, it is used in the food, isn't it? So, the uses of chemical formula is it provides information about the elements present in the molecule and the number of atoms. See how what is the number of atoms here? 1 atom of sodium and 1 atom of chlorine. Okay. Then finally, the chemical formula tells us the types of atoms. So, what is the type of the atom? What is the properties, physical properties or chemical properties, whatever may be. And the number of each type of atom. So, how many number of atoms consists in the molecule or compound. So, this is the uses or tells the chemical formula. Here I will say some examples. I will show some examples here. See. Here are some examples of chemical formula. For example, sodium chloride. So, 1 atom of sodium and 1 atom of chlorine present in sodium chloride. The next example, ammonia, NH3. Here, 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen. And the third example is glucose. The chemical formula is C6H12O6. Here in this molecule, 6 atoms of carbon, 12 atoms of hydrogen and 6 atoms of oxygen present in this molecule. So like this, you should be able to identify the number of atoms and the information about the elements present in the molecules. Okay, now I will give some examples. Look at here. Here are some examples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you write this 8 examples like this one by one, and under this write it how the sodium, write it like H2O. Under this you have to write 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen, and here 6 atoms of carbon and 12 atoms of hydrogen and 6 atoms of oxygen. Like this you have to write for this each compounds or molecules. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally 8 compounds are here. So you have to write like this, and you have to send it through my personal number before 5 p.m. So if you have any doubts, just you can clarify with me at any time through my personal number. Thank you, students.